Thought for the day, Friday, September the 6th. Generosity bears fruit. If anyone gives you a cup of water to drink, then in truth I tell you, he will most certainly not lose his reward. Mark chapter 9, verse 41. It is not important if what we can give is a lot or little. What's important is how we give it. How much love we put also into a gesture of attention for the other. Sometimes it is enough to offer a glass of fresh water, as the Gospel specifies. A glass of water is, precisely, a simple gesture, but a great gesture in the eyes of God, if it is done in His name, that is, for love. Love has all the nuances and knows how to find the best way to express itself. Love is essential because it knows how to approach the neighbor, even if it is in a listening attitude, one of service and availability. This word will help us to rediscover the value of each of our actions, from house chores to field or office work, from homework to civil, political or religious responsibilities. Everywhere can become a place for attentive and thoughtful service. Love will give us new eyes to sense what the other needs and how to help generously and creatively. And what will happen? Gifts will circulate because love awakens love. Joy will multiply because there is more happiness in giving than in receiving. Chiara Lubich, excerpts from the commentary on the Word of Life of October 2006. The Word of Life for September 2024. Do not merely listen to the Word and so deceive yourselves. Do what it says.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.